the Nordic countries, and it is. So we're getting all the cold weather coming downhill instead of warm weather coming uphill. But anyway, as I say, it's nice sitting here, and okay on your computer transmissions. Well, we're grateful for Echolink as well. As I say, I wouldn't have been able to make this contact on UHF, or even VHF, well, the upper side of VHF. Might have done it on 6 meters, but over to the States. But as I say, you just using 2.5 watts from a little Kenwood handheld and a HB9CV for 77. So it serves a purpose, Colin. And as I say, if that's the only way of getting on the air, well, you keep doing it. It's nice to talk to you. Back to you, Colin. K6CID G0 UFE portable.
Yeah, okay, Simon, no problem. Yes, you know, I used to live in Southern California, and I had a full HF station there, and I also had an Echolink link, but you know, I'm in North Carolina, living in an apartment, and there's absolutely no way that I could put up any sort of antenna or anything like that. I mean, I could force the point and maybe put an antenna on the balcony or something like that, but I think it's too much trouble, and I could, you know, to put up a link when I could just use the computer, and it's you know, almost the same thing. So there you go. Well, of course, today is Sunday. I don't know, I woke up very early this morning with my grandkids, and just thinking about what we would do today. We did a lot of shopping yesterday, so that's probably out for today. But I think I'll probably go up into the mountains today and, you know, and take a little walk around and stuff like that. Back to you, Simon. G0 UFE from K6CID.
K6CID, G0 UFE so portable. Okay, Colin. Well, as I say, nice stroll through the mountains, and providing the weather's okay, and you take some water with you. You don't want to go without any water. By the way, it is just 3 o'clock. Just gone 3 o'clock in the UK. That's what the time is here. It's still nice, still warm, plenty of people about. We're right next to a children's play area with all the sort of activities that you'd want for kids. A sort of a mini assault course that they're going around training for the SAS or something like that, or the Special Forces. Okay, just give me a brief over on your QTH again, Colin. I didn't get it the first time, didn't write it down, and just like to know over.
Yeah, okay, Simon, K6CID returning. I live in Charlotte, the city of Charlotte, in the state of North Carolina. Of course, it's, let me see, it's about, well, they consider it one of the southern states, although it's, you know, it's southeastern states, but, you know, it's really kind of north, you know, not too far from New York City. I think it's about maybe 7 hours drive from New York City. So it's not too far south. Very, very, very green state. Lots of lakes and stuff like that. And there is this flat area where I live in the city of Charlotte. And there are mountains, I think, to the north of me, you know. So really, really nice, you know, as opposed to Southern California where I used to live before, where it was mountains and semi-desert. So I really like it here. Back to you, Simon. G0 UFE from K6CID.
CID, G0 UFE so portal. I just had an email or a text message from a mate of mine must say hello, Dylan, and yeah, I'll get your message. I'll reply later on. Yeah, a friend of mine is down the road. He's listening on Echo Link. Colin, he's a guy called Dylan. He's not too far from me, and he's working on the Echo Link frequency. Anyway, I'll say 7:30. Okay, on Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah, I got. For a British person, I've got a rough idea where you are, if you'll pardon the way I put that. I used to have some, they still probably live there up in New England, which is just above New York, I think. They've always said why don't I come over, but it's been a long time since I've heard from them. And I don't know whether, well, I don't know even if they're still alive, because lost touch, but maybe one of them things we'll have to dig out. I know that Roger used to work for something to do with NASA in the early days of space exploration. I don't know exactly what he did there. Probably polished rockets, but as far as I know, but could have been high up. But anyway, yeah, we've got a rough idea where you are, Colin. Anyway, I wish you all the best, and enjoy the rest of the weekend, and as I say, enjoy your walk up in the mountains there. We're enjoying the fresh air out here. At least it isn't raining, as we say here. So with that, I'll say 7:30, hand it back to you for the final, then we'll see who else is around on we'll set up the HF and see what we can get on that. K6 CID, G0 UFE stroke portable. 7:30, Colin.
Yeah, okay, Simon, good talking to you, and
located
I
in the
hope we could do it again sometime soon. I'm sure you're looking forward to the Olympics out there in London. Not so far away you are from that, but I'm sure it is an everything distance, if anything. Alright, send me please, and I'll talk to you again. G0 UFE from K6 CID.
Hi again, G0 UFE portable, just a quickie. The Olympics are in the south of England, down by and around London. We're about an hour and a half by train and about 3 hours by car or truck or whatever to get there. As I say, if you find Birmingham, England on the map, we're about 35 miles north-west. The place is called Telford, I'll spell that. It's Tango, Echo Lima, Foxtrot Oscar Radio Delta, Telford. And we have the world's first iron bridge built here. It's just slightly older than America. It was built it started building in 1774 and completed it in 1776. And it was the world's first iron bridge, so that's where we are. Okay, Colin, all the best. Listen briefly then, going to QRT.
Yeah, okay. Send me please, and talk to you again. G0 UFE, this is K6 CID clear.